The World Health Organization has said that the Chinese officials must share more real-time information on COVID in the country as the infections surge. Many of the country's strict restrictions have been lifted over the last few weeks, but cases have soared and several countries are now screening travelers from China. There have been no reports of new variants to date, but China has been accused of not being forthcoming about the virus since it first surfaced in the country in late 2019. The worry is that it may not be sharing data now on any signs of evolving strains that could spark fresh outbreaks elsewhere. The US, Japan, India, South Korea, Taiwan, and Italy have announced testing requirements for passengers from China. The US cited both the surge in infections and what it said was a lack of information, including genome sequencing of the virus strains in the country. Authorities in Taiwan and Japan have expressed similar concern. In a statement issued after talks with Chinese officials, the UN Health Agency said WHO again asked for regular sharing of specific and real-time data on the epidemiological situation and data on vaccinations delivered and vaccination status, especially in the vulnerable people and those over 60. The agency said it was willing to provide support on those areas as well as help addressing the issue of vaccine hesitancy. It also stressed the importance of monitoring and the timely publication of data to help China and the global community to formulate accurate risk assessments and to inform effective responses. Chinese health officials, however, have said that the current outbreak is being driven by versions of the Omicron variant that have also been detected elsewhere, and the surveillance system has been set up to identify any potentially worrisome new versions of the virus. Wu Zunyao, the chief epidemiologist at China's Center for Disease Control, said on Thursday that China has always reported the virus strains it has found in a timely way. WHO's Technical Advisory Group on the Evolution of COVID-19 is set to hold a meeting on Tuesday. The agency says it has invited Chinese scientists to present detailed data on viral sequencing. It says it is understandable that some countries are imposing fresh restrictions on people traveling from China. Cases have since been on the rise, with the Chinese government reporting about 5,000 a day. But the analyst says that such numbers are vastly undercounted and the daily caseload may be closer to 1 million. Officially, there have been only 13 COVID deaths throughout December, but UK-based health data firm Airfinity said on Thursday that around 9,000 people in China are probably dying each day from the disease.
Subscribe to One India channel and never miss an update.